Welcome to VPEC. I'm Naimesh Nayak, who is owner of VPEC, and I have started press in 2001. This is my baby, and I have started in 2001 with a small press, and till 15 years I grow step by step and bought second-hand machineries and catered only local market. And after 15 years, I thought I'm experienced enough to take this further. And by seeing the demand and my experience, I have thought of that I should change myself and organize press to cater organized sector. So I was confident enough. So I decided to go for the forward 100% forward integration with top of the notch equipment in our industries. So that's why we find that's why I started a new company with new frame of mind. As we have a two printing machine, 6 color plus coater Kamori, that is a UV press, and 5 plus coater, that is from Mitsubishi, we decided in VPEC, we decided to invest in post press first. So we started with the top of the line post press. We decided to invest in Bobst. So we bought two machines from Bobst, that is punching Nova Cut punching machine and Vision Fold. As you know that this is a forward integration, we have decided to invest in patented technology from France, that is window patching pick and place machine, that able to produce combination box from plastic and paper. After investing in post press, we got a very good response from the market, and we realized that people are asking for the maximum printing quality. So that I felt that this is a now need that we have to invest in a brand new machine to give maximum quality to the client. I was looking for packaging press which can print PET material along with the mat pad jobs that regularly I was doing. So Kamori has introduced a packaging press of size 2537. So I have seen the option available in the market and decide for this machine to invest in. I'm very happy to invest in Kamori G37 fully loaded machine with UV fitted, and my experience after buying Kamori 37 with PDC SX was very nice experience, especially the auto register function that is new for us, and it helped to register reduce the register time and wastage of the material. Especially choosing 2537 format, the main benefit what I come to know is running cost is very less than 2840. As we are working with short run value added job, it is really good choice that I know after investing in. Very good experience with the Kamori team. They installed our machine very fast, and they have given us training, and the machine was they took hardly 20 to 25 days to give us a machine in a perfect running condition, and production was start less than 1 month time. That was according to me, it was very good. Last but not the least, I have found a technical and application partner in Kamori. I'm really happy working with Kamori and Kamori team. Thank you.